Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Campbell and today I'm going to show you how to make your own toys. I am going to use a regular tissue box and I'm going to show you 3 ways to turn that tissue box into a fun, engaging, and developmentally appropriate activity for a baby. Aww. This is my daughter Melina, and she actually just turned 8 months old today, and she just woke up from a nap. Melina doesn't really like playing with her toys. Instead, she likes to find anything and everything that's not her toys to play with. So I thought this would be a great way to find household items that we would typically throw away and recycle them into something that we could use for her developmental skills. The activities that I will show you will support her motor skills and her sensory awareness. The first activity we're making is a scarf or fabric pull box. After removing the inner plastic lining, you'll want to cover the edges with clear tape, just so that if a baby reaches inside of it, they don't get any harm done to their little hands. After you put clear tape on all of the sides, then you can stuff your scarves or fabric inside. In the scarf pull box that I'll be using with Melina that you'll see in a second, I added shoelaces to the top of the box. This makes it a little bit trickier for her to pull the scarves out, but gives her extra practice with using her hands. All right, the first activity is for us to pull out the scarves inside of this tissue box. So we're gonna model it. Cool, wow, pulling the scarf. Wow, green scarf, green scarf. Your turn, your turn. Here you go. Wow, green scarf you pulled. Great job. Can you pull another one? Can you pull the yellow scarf? You can grab it. Get the yellow scarf out. There you go. Grab it. Grab the yellow scarf. Yellow scarf. Pull the yellow scarf. Pull the yellow scarf. You're tasting the yellow scarf. Pull the yellow scarf. Great job. You're pulling the yellow scarf out of the box. Wow, look at that. You're pulling. You did it. The second activity is a shaker. So we're putting beans inside of an empty square tissue box and we're taping the opening with duct tape. We're also going to add clear tape around the edges just to make sure the baby doesn't peel the duct tape off and that it is completely smooth. Good job! Good job!